Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it directly using our contact list, so it means that we can block the number which we've got currently saved, or we can do it, let's say, kind of by using the dialer settings, and thanks to this we can block the number which we will enter manually, so we don't have to have it saved. And let's begin with blocking the contact. So let's open your contact list, for example, using the phone dialer, and find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's pick this three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the option to block numbers. So let's tap. As you can see, your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and tap on block. And as you can see, actually immediately here we've got this characteristic icon and we've got the information that this number is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will actually check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way to block a number is, as I said, by using the dialer settings. So here it doesn't really matter if it will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in the general section we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter, and as you can see this is our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine, we successfully blocked a number. And as I said at the very beginning of this video, by using this way to block a number we can enter it manually, so we don't have to have it saved on our contacts. So simply tap on add a number, and as you can see in this area we can freely enter the number we want to block and simply tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, and we can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher here, and thanks to this your device will be allowed to apply to block the calls from all unidentified callers, so it may be quite useful in some situations. Of course you can turn it off in the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on those X buttons right next to the number. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.